Hi my friend, this is a short video explanation about assignment about auto layout lessons. So I will show you some things how they are done here. Actually you have this ready page, so you could easily do it by yourself, but what are some tips? You have images of different sizes, so this is almost square, these are not. And to make them look similar, I created a square frame for them. It's strawberry square, banana square, and I put image inside and check this clip content checkbox. Okay, to make them be aligned to the left, I have to find the mother frame, and as you see there is alignment setting over here, so I can change it. I like this more. To set these two corners around, I have to find this icon. If I click it, all four corners are opened, so I set 40 to the first corner. First is top left corner, the second is this, third and fourth. So I need the first and the fourth corners, I set them around. Okay, to make this text be in the center of these fields, I use padding from one side from here. So as you see, there is spacing 200 pixels here. If I set it to 0, it will look like this. Okay, and the other spacing is set in Auto Layout menu, in Auto Layout options, as a spacing between this text and this image. So if I set it to 400, it will be bigger right here. So I set 200 here and I set 200 here, so this text comes to the center of this white area. Okay, and I think most of the other things are all the same or straightforward, so you will understand how to create these. So if I have this picture of this size, I have to create padding here of 240 pixels, so the height of this white rectangle is the same as the height of this gray rectangle. Actually, there is another way how to do it, so I will change it to 100 and see it changed. And I have another way to do this. I can select this white frame and I can just set this fixed height. So after this, white rectangle is of this height no matter what I set in these padding options. So now I can change it, but as you see, it changed padding of the image inside this white rectangle, but the white rectangle itself remains the same height. It's because I used this fixed height setting. If I use hard contents, again this setting will come into game. Okay, so I think this is it, and with these tips you probably will be able to create the same frames and to understand how all these auto layouts, alignments, centered, fixed heights work, and you will be able to use them in your future work. So good luck, and I hope this will help you in your work.